Okay, guys, so welcome to all of you into the day one of the grammar session. And today I'm going to discuss sentence. Okay, very different topic which we are going to discuss, that is called the sentence. So let's start. Yeah, please let me know if you are able to see my screen. Visible?
Yes, visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now the question is, why do you want to talk? Why do you want to talk? हम talk क्यों करना चाहते हैं? Why? What is the reason?
To
Reason
express our
can
emotions.
It is a talking is a communication center.
Sorry?
Uh, when we talk to each other, that time we will
Why do you want to talk? क्यों हम talk करना चाहते हैं एक दूसरे से?
To
To
communicate with
express our
everyone.
To
emotions
communicate
or
with each
communicate
other?
with others.
हाँ,
Yes.
okay.
Because of that time is very mandatory language.
देखो हम टॉक करना चाहते हैं. देखो these are the some areas why we want to talk. We want to talk to tell something. किसी को कुछ बताने के लिए हम टॉक करते हैं. We want to talk to ask something. किसी से कुछ पूछने के लिए हम टॉक करते हैं. We want to talk to order or to request something. Okay, and we want to talk to show our feelings. We want to talk to show our expressions, show our emotions. For these reasons we want to talk. Talk, you can say we want to communicate. Okay, so if you want to talk to tell someone, if you want to talk to ask something, if you want to talk to order or to request something, and if you want to talk to express your feelings, so we have to use different types of sentences. Okay, because in the form of sentences we talk with each other. Now suppose I want to talk. तो talk अगर हम करते हैं, if I want to talk to tell something, तो ऐसे sentences को हम कैसे sentences बोलते हैं? Declarative sentences. These types of sentences are called the declarative sentences, very simple sentences in which we only talk to tell something. Like for example, milk is white, sky is blue, I am in the grammar session. So I'm just only telling you something. So these types of sentences are called the declarative sentences, and declarative sentences always starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay, simple. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं आई टॉक टू आस्क समथिंग. जब हमें किसी से कुछ पूछना होता है, in that case we have to use the interrogative sentences like when is your next class, what is your name, where do you live, are you listening to me. So these types of sentences, in these types of sentences I am asking something. Okay, so these types of sentences are called the interrogative sentences. And how to recognize the interrogative sentences? These sentences always ends with the question mark. Simple?
yes.
Okay. Next आता है, okay, read this.
Do what I say.
Do what
Do what I say.
say.
Do what I say. जैसा मैं कहती हूँ वैसा करो. Do what I say. So this type of sentence is called the imperative sentence, जिसमें we are giving to order someone. Order or request someone. When I talk to order or request someone, in that case, we have to use the imperative sentences. Imperative sentences always starts with the verb. Please make sure imperative sentences always starts with the verb. Do what I say. Touch your head. Pinch your cheeks. Close your eyes. These types of sentences are called the imperative sentences. Okay, order or request. Please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. This is also an imperative sentence in the form of request. Okay.
Yes.
So imperative sentences always starts with the verb. Verb से start होंगे ये. And the last is the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are the sentences which is used to talk to express our feelings. फीलिंग्स को जब हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, उस केस में हमें कौन से सेंटेंसेस की जरूरत पड़ती है? एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस. एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंसेस वी कैन स्टार्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एक्सक्लामेटरी रिमार्क्स. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हुर्रे. हुर्रे क्या है? हुर्रे इज द इमोशंस, इट इज अ फीलिंग. हुर्रे मतलब कैसी फीलिंग? कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. सो दिस इज द एक्सक्लामेटरी रिमार्क, हुर्रे. I scored 50 marks. Oops, what I have done. Oops is also the exclamatory remark. It shows the feeling. Wow, wow, what a beautiful weather. So again, it is an exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentences always starts with the exclamatory remarks and it shows the feelings. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Clear?
Yes.
Sonali,
Yes, yes.
Saumya,
Okay, ma'am.
Rachna,
Yes,
Tridesh,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti. Clear? ठीक
Okay,
है?
ma'am. ma'am.
यहाँ तक सब क्लियर. ठीक है, कोई ऐसा बहुत बड़ा रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है कि क्या हमने कर लिया. Now this is all the theory. Now I tell you what is the practical implementation of all these things. For that, we will do this activity. Okay? Amit, it is visible?
Yes, I can see.
Yes.
Amit, can you read if you are able to understand my handwriting?
Just give
Yes,
me a
ma'am.
second.
Yes.
Shall I?
Yes, please.
My favorite food is pasta. I love pasta. I could eat pasta at any time of the day. Pasta is white. Pasta in white sauce is my favorite. White sauce is my favorite. I wish I could eat pasta right now.
Very good. Okay. Now, what is this activity, guys? You read each and every sentence. And if you think so, it is declarative. So just write down B. Just write down B. If you think so, it is imperative. Just write down orange. O likh do bas. If you think so, it is interrogative. Just write down Y. And if you think so, it is exclamatory. Just write down R. Okay? Clear? Kiran, Preeti, Sheetal, clear activity?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
चलो करो.
Yes.
Favorite food is pasta.
चलो एक एक करके स्टार्ट करते हैं. राज, फर्स्ट लाइन कौन सा लग रहा है आपको? फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. माय फेवरेट फूड इज पास्ता.
Is a declarative.
Raj, which type of sentence
Blue.
it is?
Blue.
Blue. So it is declarative. Say declarative. Okay, good.
Yes.
Shraddha, I love pasta.
Declarative.
Declarative.
Declarative. Purnima, I could eat pasta at any time of the day. It is also declarative. Pasta in the white sauce is my favorite.
All
It
is
is
declarative.
declarative. I wish I could eat pasta right now. It is?
Declarative, I think.
Declarative.
It is declarative. So if you will see the first line is declarative. So I have mentioned blue. If you will see second, it is also blue. Oops, what happened? If you will see entire paragraph is in blue in color.
Declarative.
Entire paragraph is blue in color. Okay?
Yes.
Right? So what you understood from this? Soumya, क्या
The
समझे
sentence
इससे?
start with
हम्म? तो इतनी मतलब ना लिसनिंग स्किल्स, आई नो यू गाइज हैव वेरी गुड लिसनिंग स्किल्स, लेकिन इसको स्पीकिंग स्किल्स में कन्वर्ट करो. माय क्वेश्चन इज, इफ यू सी एंटायर पैराग्राफ इज रिटन इन द ब्लू इन कलर, तो व्हाट यू एनालाइज?
All paragraph is a declarative sentence.
हाँ,
In all these
all are in
sentences,
declarative
you are trying to
sentence.
tell
It starts from a capital letter and ends in a full stop.
वो तो ठीक है सोनाली, लेकिन इसके बाद और क्या एनालाइज करा है?
Ma'am, in all these sentences, you are trying to tell something.
We are trying to
Tell something. You are telling
Tell about
something.
pasta.
tell something. हाँ, so
These are the declarative sentences.
these are the declarative sentences. Okay, good observation. What else? और क्या एनालाइज करा है? What you observe? काशीनाथ, कुछ ऑब्जर्व करा आपने? एंटायर पैराग्राफ इज रिटन इन ब्लू कलर. ठीक है, इससे क्या पता चला कि ऑल द सेंटेंसेस वी हैव रिटन इन ओनली वन फॉर्म ऑफ सेंटेंस, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द
One
declarative.
talk. Declarative.
Declarative. And guys, what I'm going to tell you, at the time of speaking also, at the time of writing also, we also do this same type of mistake. we always focus only on the one type of sentence, declarative. That's why our communication becomes bore. That's why our communication becomes very monotonous. No one loves to listen us. और ना हमें बोलने में मजा आता. Are you guys getting? Because we are using the same form of sentences. तो अब हमें करना क्या है कि we have to make this blue color, only the single color, into the different color paragraph, into the wow color paragraph. ठीक है? देखो जैसे notifications. Now, read this. Yes, anyone?
May I?
Yes.
Do you know what my favorite food is?
Hmm.
It's pasta.
Hmm.
I realize pasta in white. Sorry.
I relish.
Relish.
Relish
I
नहीं. I
relish
relish.
pasta. Relish pasta in white sauce. I could eat pasta in the morning, afternoon, and night. Speaking so much about pasta is making me hungry. Come with me. Let's have some pasta together. Yummy. Now you all feel like eating pasta with me, right?
Right. Now, what is the difference? I'm asking you guys what you have observed
Interrogative.
from this paragraph.
Sentences.
Because this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph written in the blue color. Okay. Now
Yellow.
again, this is a paragraph, but it is written in the multicolor.
Yellow color, ma'am.
मल्टी गाइस, मल्टी कलर. ठीक है,
Yes.
जिसमें हमने ब्लू भी यूज करा, ग्रीन भी यूज करा, रेड भी यूज
Orange.
करा,
Yellow
ऑरेंज
भी
भी यूज
है.
करा. राइट. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, हमने इंटेरोगेटिव भी यूज करा, इंपेरेटिव भी यूज करा, डिक्लेरेटिव भी यूज करा और एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंसेस भी यूज करे. Instead of making this sentence simple, my favorite food is pasta, how I can start? Do you know what was my favorite food is? Do you know? कौन सा sentence हुआ?
Interrogative.
Interrogative. It's pasta.
Sentence.
It's pasta.
It's
It
pasta.
ends with exclamatory sign.
Pasta.
So, exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory.
I relish pasta in white sauce. I'm simple telling. So it is declarative.
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 I could eat pasta. I could eat pasta in the morning, after
In the morning.
Again, it shows my feelings. So again, it is a exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory.
Come with me. Come with me. कौन सा टाइप का सेंटेंस हुआ? Come with me.
It's a
Imperative.
Order. So it is an imperative sentence.
Order.
Imperative sentence. Let's have some pasta together. So I'm requesting, let's have some pasta together. Again, it's an imperative.
Imperative.
Imperative sentence. So what is the conclusion basically, dear students, कि whenever you talk, either into your fluency sessions or whenever you want to write, always focus on this thing कि don't write in the single form of sentence. You have to use all the 4 types of sentences while you are talking. It's not easy. Again, question आता है कि मैम ये easy थोड़ी है. I can understand it's not easy. But daily basis पे you have to give the signal to your brain कि at least out of 10 sentences, I have to speak 4 sentences of different types. So never ever start your talk in a simple, boring, declarative. Getting this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting? I will share this PDF. Please go through with this PDF again.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I will share one topic also, guys. I will share one topic, and what you have to do, you have to convert that topic into the
Sentences. English
different types of sentences. Yes, Amit, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Could you please touch base the declarative and imperative sentences once again?
Could you? Difference, you
Please
want?
yeah, I want.
See. Amit, declarative sentences are always follows one structure. Okay, if you want to show, I will explain you. उसी PDF में है, मैं थोड़ा सा इसको बता देती हूँ. Declarative sentences always starts with the subject, then verb, then object. This is a structure you have to follow. Subject, verb, and object. ठीक है. Like for example, I am in the grammar session. I am in the grammar session. ये सिर्फ मैं telling कर रही हूँ. I'm just telling something. So this is a declarative sentence. Imperative sentences always starts with the verb. ये direct subject से start नहीं होता. Like for example, come with me. Come is a verb. Come is a verb. So always starts with the verb. Okay. Now, if you will see, declarative sentences ends with full stop. Interrogative sentences ends with question mark. Exclamatory sentences, we have to use the exclamatory remarks. Imperative sentences ends with the full stop. Okay. Now, you can see, guys, I have already mentioned कि how to change the declarative into interrogative. अब कैसे change करना है? Suppose करो sentence है Nancy is a smart girl. ये सिंपल मैं बता रही हूँ, सिंपल स्टेटमेंट है. Nancy is a smart girl, declarative है. इसको interrogative में कैसे change करोगे? You just take out the verb before the subject. Okay. Is Nancy a smart girl? Ends with the question. Okay. Got it? In this way, you can.
Yes, ma'am.
In this
Yeah.
way, you can go through it. Okay. So I have mentioned this. Okay, Amit, you can go through with the PDF. I have already mentioned. Clear? So task क्या करना है? I will share one topic, simple topic I will give you, like pasta वाला topic था. I will share you the different topic. You have to convert that topic into the different forms. मतलब उसमें declarative भी होना चाहिए, imperative भी होना चाहिए, exclamatory भी होना चाहिए, और कौन सा बचा? जो भी बचा था, interrogative, imperative, सारे
Imperative,
sentences.
declarative, imperative, exclamatory.
ठीक है, done. And at the time of speaking also, you have to give the signal to your brain that I have to use the different types of sentences.
Exclamatory,
In this way, you
exclamatory.
can make your talk more interesting.
Declarative,
ठीक है, चलो अब चलते हैं आज के टॉपिक पे. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो अब आज के टॉपिक पे आते हैं. अभी तक आज के टॉपिक पे आए नहीं है. ठीक है.
हम सबके माइक फोन ऑन उनसे डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है बहुत.
हाँ, सौम्या प्लीज म्यूट डियर. तुम लोग बोल रहे हो ना, वो मेरे को लग रहा है इतना नहीं पढ़ना. आज फर्स्ट है, आज इतना नहीं पढ़ना. ठीक है ना, आज थोड़ा सा क्लास को हम चिल रख रहे हैं. चलो अब आ रहे हैं हम टॉपिक के ऊपर, जो आज का हमारा मेन टॉपिक है. Okay. I hope the screen is visible, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So, do we speak in letters? क्या हम letters में बात करते हैं?
No.
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 No, ma'am.
No. कौन कह रहा है भाई? Yes. चलो आओ letters में बात करके देखते हैं उससे. No, we don't speak in
No,
letters.
ma'am.
ठीक है?
SANR.
Do we speak in words?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
No, we don't speak in words. We only give sometimes the answers. जैसे do you live in Delhi? Yes or no? बस. बात नहीं करते हम, टॉकिंग नहीं स्टार्ट करते.
Okay, okay, okay.
ठीक है. Do we speak in sentence?
Yes.
Yes, we speak
Yes,
in
ma'am.
sentences. Whenever we want to communicate with each other, we always use the sentences. So, why we need the sentence? To speak any language, to read any language, to write any language, we should have the good knowledge of the sentences. So, sentence, there are the two types of sentences. One is the action sentence and second is the expression sentence. I repeat, one is the action sentence and second is the expression sentence. Action sentence, I speak English. ऐसे sentences जिसमें कोई भी action होता है, ऐसे sentences को हम बोलते हैं action sentences. और expression sentence है, like for example, English is a language. In this, there is no action, simple statement sentences. That sentences are called the expression sentences. 95% we use the action sentences at the time of speaking, and only 5% we use the expression sentence. ठीक है? Two types of sentences. One is called the action and second is called the
Expression.
Expression.
expression. Action sentences means in which the action is going on. Action is going on. Guys, there are the two types of action. One is called the mental action and second is called the physical action.
Physical.
फिजिकल एक्शन का मतलब होता है जिसमें आपकी बॉडी मूवमेंट्स होते हैं, आपके सेंस ऑर्गन्स यूज होते हैं. एंड मेंटल एक्शंस मींस जैसे जिसमें आपका माइंड, जैसे सपोज करो आई थिंक अबाउट यू, आई थिंक अबाउट यू. ओके, तो इसमें एक्शन हो रहा है. कौन सा एक्शन हो रहा है? थिंकिंग का एक्शन हो रहा है. But that is also the action sentence, mental action. But this is an action sentence. Okay? Like for example, I speak English. What is an action in this?
Speaking.
Speak. Very good. Very good. Speak is an action. Speak is an action. And English is a language. English is a language. In this sentence, is there any action?
No.
No, there is no action. This is a simple statement sentence. So it becomes an expression sentence. ठीक है? Clear? Now, be ready with your sentences. ठीक है? Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
चलो एक एक करके I will ask. Okay, Shraddha, action sentence. Be quick.
I am attending Zoom session.
I am attending group session. Great. Raj, expression sentence.
I love to do dance.
I love
To do dance.
I love to do dance. Raj, it is not an expression sentence.
Action हो गया.
ये तो action हो गया ना. Love तो बहुत बड़ा action
You
होता है.
you are talking about action, na?
No, I am talking about expression.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Okay, चलो ठीक है. Still, I am considering. Sonali, expression.
Odia is my mother tongue.
Very nice, very nice. Amit, expression.
You are teaching very nicely.
Teaching again, Amit. Amit, teaching क्या हो गया? Action हो गया.
Or, yeah.
I'm asking expression.
I'm
Because
very happy.
I'm very happy. Excellent. I'm very happy.
Very.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Sheetal, action.
I like to read, take notes.
I like to take notes. I like to take notes. Great. Purnima, expression.
I'm sad.
I'm sad. Okay. Okay. Kashinath, action.
I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning. Very good. Mukesh, expression.
I'm beautiful.
I am
Beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Deepak, action.
I do exercise daily.
I do exercise daily. Soumya, expression. Okay, I think Soumya is not able to. Preeti, expression.
Expression. My school is good.
My school is good. Very nice. Soumya. Action.
Action. I hate the food.
I hate food. अच्छा, I hate cooking तो सुना था. I hate food कब से होने लगा सौम्या? Okay, चलो. Okay, right. अच्छा चलो. Very good. अच्छा, दो sentences मैं बोलती हूँ, जरा बताना. सेम सेंटेंस को लेती हूँ, एक एक्शन से बनाती हूँ और एक एक्सप्रेशन से बनाती हूँ. आई एम वॉशिंग माई डर्टी हैंड्स. आई एम वॉशिंग माई डर्टी हैंड्स.
Action.
एक्शन. एक्शन. ठीक है, वॉशिंग हो गया.
Action.
माई हैंड्स आर डर्टी.
Expression.
Expression.
एक्सप्रेशन. ठीक है. सो सिर्फ दो टाइप्स के सेंटेंसेस होते हैं इंग्लिश ग्रामर में, एक्सप्रेशन एंड एक्शन. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. टफ तो नहीं लग रहा ना?
No, not really.
ठीक है, इजी.
Very easy.
Actually, these sentences we use usually we use on daily basis in our daily life, but actually we don't know about what is the action and what is
an expression. Action, Raj, very simple action in which any action is going on, whether the mental action or the physical action. I'm jumping. The children fly the kites in the sky. My mother cooks the food. ठीक है. I am teaching. These are all the action sentences.
Yes.
Okay. I am a grammar coach. I am a grammar coach. This is simple and expression sentence. इसमें कोई action नहीं हो रहा. मैं simple एक statement बता रही हूँ. तो that is a expression sentence. Okay. Now, my friend will go to market. Now, you will see every sentence is divided into two parts. One is called the doer, and second is whatever the doer will do. Doer, this is a simple term, but grammatical terms में हम doer को कहते हैं subject part, और whatever the doer will do, that is called the predicate part. तो simple भाषा में every sentence, each sentence is divided into two parts. One is called the subject, and second part is called the predicate. Subject means doer, जो उस काम को करता है, and rest of the sentence becomes the predicate. Purnima, please mute. If you are talking personally, please mute. Okay, so one is called the doer. Doer means the subject, जो उस काम को करता है. My friend will go to the market. So that becomes the subject part, and rest of the sentence becomes the predicate part. She helped her. She helped her. What is a doer? She is a doer. She is the subject part, and helped her. And helped her becomes the predicate part. Predicate part. My brother loves football. What is a doer?
My
brother is subject.
loves football.
My brother is the subject part, and loves football is a predicate part.
Predicate part.
It's simple. Okay. Now, it is very important, guys. Now, subject part is divided into two parts. One is called the extension, and second is called the subject word. I repeat, subject part is divided into two parts. One is called the extension, and second is called the subject word. Subject word. Right? Now, यहाँ पर my brother, देखो my brother क्या था? Subject part था. Now subject part is further divided into two parts. One is called the extension, and second is called the subject word. Now my becomes the extension, and subject word is brother. Subject word is brother. Now please. Yes, Sheetal.
Yes, the door means what, ma'am? Why using a door?
Doer means, doer जो होता है, इसका मतलब होता है जो उस काम को करता है. Who does that work? Who does that work? जो उस काम को करता है, that is called the doer. तो doer तो simple layman language हो गया, लेकिन उसको grammatically हम बोलते हैं subject part.
Subject part, yes.
Subject part is divided into two. One is called the extension, and second is called the subject word. अब subject word का मतलब ब्रैकेट में लिख लो. Subject word का मतलब होता है noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. What comes in place of subject word? Only the noun and pronoun. Only the noun and pronoun. और उस noun और pronoun से पहले जो भी कुछ लगता है, that becomes our extension. And why the extension is important? Why the extension is important? अच्छा चलो इस sentence को बिना extension के एक बार read करो. Read this
Brother
sentence.
loves football.
Brother loves football. Which gives you more meaning? My brother loves football, or your brother loves football?
My brother.
My brother. Okay.
My brother.
My brother. So if you will
My
put
brother.
the extensions before the subject word, it gives more meaning to the sentence. ठीक है. सपोज करो आप क्वेश्चन पुट कर रहे हो कि मैम क्यों एक्सटेंशन हम यूज कर रहे हैं, वी डोंट वांट टू यूज द एक्सटेंशन. तो उसका सिंपल सा एक्सप्लेनेशन है, व्हाई वी वांट टू पुट द एक्सटेंशन टू गिव मोर मीनिंग टू द सेंटेंस, वी यूज एक्सटेंशंस.
Right.
ओके.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि बिना एक्सटेंशन के क्या हम सेंटेंस नहीं बना सकते. यस, वी कैन फ्रेम द सेंटेंसेस विदाउट एक्सटेंशंस, बट समटाइम्स वी वांट टू गिव मोर मीनिंग टू द सेंटेंसेस, so that we have to put the extensions. Now, predicate part is further divided into two parts. One is called the verb, and second is called ROP. ROP is rest of predicate. मतलब predicate में से भी जो बच गया. So what is a verb in this sentence? Love.
Loves.
Love is a verb in this sentence. And what is ROP? That is called
Object.
ऑब्जेक्ट. यस, ऑब्जेक्ट भी हम बोल सकते हैं, और वी कैन से आरओपी. दोनों सेम है श्रद्धा, कुछ भी बोलो आपके ऊपर. सो दिस इज अ कंप्लीट पोस्टमार्टम ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. ठीक है. किसी को कोई भी डाउट
यार
हो
ये
तो पूछो.
स्कूल में टेंशन ही आता था ये देख के.
ROP means what?
आरओपी इज रेस्ट ऑफ
No,
प्रेडिकेट.
ma'am.
रेस्ट ऑफ प्रेडिकेट.
Means, can you explain?
ऑब्जेक्ट में बोलो
ऑब्जेक्ट. तो
शब्द.
सिंपल समझो. ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट।
Okay.
क्रियापद।
ठीक है, सिंपल।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the sentence.
My
My
best
best
friend
friend
Anil will be meeting me at the airport.
Airport. So
at the
let's find out.
airport.
What is my best friend? That is called the doer.
Doer.
So this
Subject
becomes a
part.
subject part, and rest of the sentence becomes a predicate.
Predicate part.
Now subject part is divided into two. So now what is an extension in this sentence? Can anyone tell
My
me?
is
My
extension.
Yes, ma'am.
Subject word
Only my.
alone is
my best friend.
My best friend. Very good. My best friend. And what is the subject word?
Anil.
Anil.
Anil. Because Anil is the name of a person, so it becomes a noun. और
Noun.
noun से पहले क्या लगता है आपका extension
Extension.
लगता है. So my best friend is an extension and Anil becomes a subject word. Now predicate part is divided into two parts. One is called the verb and second is called ROP. So now what are the verbs in this sentence?
Will be.
Will be meeting.
will be.
Will
Will be
be.
meeting.
Is the
There
verb
are
and
three
meeting
verbs.
me at
meeting.
the airport is rest of the predicate.
Me at the airport becomes the ROP.
Meeting.
Me at the airport becomes ROP. Will be meeting are the three verbs. इसको आप ऐसे भी बना सकते थे. Anil will be meeting me at the airport. ठीक है, this is also okay. But if you really want to give more meaning to the sentence, then you have to put the extensions. Any doubt?
No.
No?
No.
So can I ask one question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, ma'am, our study from starting to 10th, everyone teaches only subject, verb,
Yes.
helping verb, and object and only. The first time we just using doer and whatever doer does.
हाँ, whatever
Subject,
doer
part,
does.
extension
हाँ,
and all.
लेकिन अभी मेरा क्वेश्चन राज, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है. Rather, I'm expecting कि you guys will ask this question from me. But if you are saying कि डैड नहीं मैम बिल्कुल क्लियर है, तो can I ask one question?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, एक्सटेंशंस मुझे एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर. इतनी जल्दी अगर एक्सटेंशन समझ आ गया है तो रियली आई शुड पैट माई सेल्फ.
Now
As I
could you
believe what I
describe
reckon,
the
Extension,
Okay,
extension
Amit.
means the subject which is completing by the
बंद कर दो उधर से.
by the noun. It's called extension.
Raj, can you again repeat what you have told?
Okay, the extensions what we call to the extensions is using to complete the
To complete the meaning,
sentence.
to complete the meaning
complete-
of a sentence, we have to use extensions. यहाँ तक सबको समझ आ गया है, ठीक है?
Yes.
अच्छा, अमित wants to say something. अमित, आप भी कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे?
yeah, what I got to know so far,
हाँ.
I think it's all about in the reference of the subject, then the extension comes.
Okay, so can you anyone please tell me what the types of extensions you can use? जैसे my best friend अनिल में my best friend हो गया. अच्छा चलो, मैं sentences बोलती हूँ, बताओ आप उसमें extensions कौन से हैं? My mother cooks food.
My.
my mother?
My mother. My
My.
mother.
My mother नहीं होगा extension.
My.
सिर्फ my
My.
होगा.
My.
सिर्फ my.
My होगा only.
Only my.
My
अच्छा,
only.
काशीनाथ, unmute काशीनाथ.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam.
Okay, I really appreciate if Kashinath will speak. Some children fly kites in the sky. Some children fly kites in the sky.
Yes.
Is there any extension in this sentence?
Some.
Some is the
Some.
extension.
Some is an
Some is the
extension.
extension.
Some is an extension. ठीक है?
Yes.
Very good. अच्छा चलो. Next. Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
My little younger brother plays football. My little younger brother plays football.
My little my little
Younger
is
brother.
extension. My little extension.
My little
Hanger.
only.
My little hanger.
My little younger is an extension and brother
Extension.
becomes the subject word.
Yes.
Purnima. I think Purnima network issue. Okay,
Yes,
Shraddha.
ma'am.
Acha.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I will be here.
Okay, her friends met her. Her friends met her. What is an extension? Open for everyone.
Her.
Her, ma'am.
Her is an extension. Her is an extension. So basic. Okay. My sweet little cat runs. My sweet little cat
My
runs.
sweet
My
little.
sweet
My
My
sweet.
sweet little. My
My
sweet
is
little.
My
extension.
sweet.
Little. ठीक है. So
My sweet
basically
little.
extensions क्या हैं? अच्छा.
My, ma'am.
Okay. Four boys play in the garden. 4 boys play in the garden.
4 is an
Extension
extension.
4.
4 is
Four
an
boys.
extension.
4 is a
4 is an
extension.
extension. So basically, what do you understand? Ki what comes in the form of extensions? Adjectives. Adjectives will come in place of an extension. Adjectives will come in place of an extension.
चल रहा है नेटवर्क इशू है बहुत
Purnima, please mute.
Ma'am, I have a confusion. You told
Please mute everyone, guys, if you are. Yes, Raj.
okay. You told us my little younger brother.
हाँ.
What is the meaning of little younger?
My little younger, 2 adjectives डाल दिए वैसे होना चाहिए था my younger brother.
That
My
time I was
sweet,
confused actually.
my sweet younger brother. Sorry, my bad, Raj. My sweet younger brother. Because
Okay,
little younger, both are the synonyms to each other.
Same, correct.
Okay, got it. ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर. एक्सटेंशंस में क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? सब्जेक्ट वर्ड में क्या आता है? नाउन और प्रोनाउन. ओके, she helped her. What is an extension of this sentence?
She.
She
She is the extension.
is
No, there is a no extension
She
actually.
is noun.
No extension, guys.
Noun.
There is a no extension
There
actually.
is no extension. She is a pronoun.
Yes.
और अगर ये प्रोनाउन है तो it
Okay.
becomes a subject. It becomes a subject.
Okay.
ठीक है,
Okay, ma'am.
चलो अभी हम इसी पे आ रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा 10 मिनट ऊपर चला जाएगा क्लास. मैनेज कर लोगे?
चलेगा
Yes.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
10 घंटे ऊपर निकालो मैम.
नहीं, 10 घंटे नहीं, घर बार
नहीं,
निकाल
नहीं।
दिया. Okay, so what is the structure? What is the structure of a sentence? Extension, then subject verb,
Extensions.
then verb, and then
Verb,
then
and then
ROP.
rest of predicate.
ठीक है, रेस्ट ऑफ प्रेडिकेट भी बोल सकते हो आप, ऑब्जेक्ट
Predicate.
कुछ भी बोल
Object.
सकते हो. जैसे माय ब्रदर लव्स फुटबॉल. सपोज करो आपसे हम कहते हैं कि जस्ट मेक वन सेंटेंस. सो इफ यू हैव टू मेक वन सेंटेंस, सो यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस स्ट्रक्चर क्या रखोगे आप? एक्सटेंशन, देन सब्जेक्ट वर्ड.
Extension.
सब्जेक्ट वर्ड का मतलब यू हैव टू पुट ईदर नाउन और प्रोनाउन, देन you have to put verb, and then you have to put any ROP, or you can say the object. She has taken her breakfast. What is she?
Subject.
Is subject.
What is has taken? These are the verbs. And what is ROP? This is ROP.
Verb breakfast.
Guys, please mute. Okay. So the structure is that if there is no extension, still you can make a sentence. जरूरी नहीं है, it is not hard and fast rule कि in each and every sentence you have to put the extension. You can make the sentence without extensions also. But sometimes you want to give more meaning to the sentence. In that case, you have to put the extensions. Mukesh, Kiran, Deepak, it is clear? Mukesh, you are too much busy in writing.
Yes.
ऐसा क्या लिख रहे हो,
Yes,
Mukesh,
yes.
तुम?
Yes, ma'am.
मुकेश, यू आर टू बिजी इन राइटिंग. क्या लिख रहे हो ऐसा मुकेश? इसके बाद हमने कोई पीएचडी की थीसिस नहीं पब्लिश करनी मुकेश. कुछ नहीं हमने पब्लिश करना.
जो आप पढ़ा रहे थे वही.
नहीं, ये रिकॉर्डिंग कर तो रही हूँ, सुन लेना इसको.
Okay,
ठीक है,
ma'am.
चलो. अच्छा गाइज, अभी तक हमने जो भी सेंटेंस करे ना, एवरी सेंटेंस आर द एक्शन सेंटेंस. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, माय ब्रदर लव्स फुटबॉल, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड अनिल meets me at the airport. So every sentence is an action sentence, but still 5% sentences are the expression sentence. So if there is an expression sentence, so the question is how you can identify the subject and the predicate. I have to remove continuously. I'm getting the noise from someone's end. Please maintain the decorum of the session, guys. Okay. Now, guys, if there is an expression sentence or any other type of sentence, so how you can identify the subject and predicate. So then we can identify the subject with the help of who and what. Who and what. Okay, we have to identify the subject with who and what. Like, for example, honesty is the best policy. This is an expression sentence. This is an expression sentence. Honesty is the best policy. So in that,
Yes, ma'am.
you if you have to find out the subject, so then you can ask, what is the best policy? What is the best policy? You will get the answer, honesty. Honesty. Okay, so honesty becomes a subject and is the best policy becomes the predicate.
Rest of predicate.
ठीक है, simple?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me how to do it. Sit down. If this type of sentences you are saying, show me how to do it. Sit down. These types of sentences are called the imperative sentences. If you will say these sentences, then you will say कि that ma'am, there is no doer. अगर doer नहीं है, so it means there is no subject. But no,
Hello.
if these types of sentences are coming in front of you, there is a hidden subject and that hidden subject is called you. Okay, so the sentence is, you show me how to do it. You sit down. So you is the subject, hidden subject.
Ma'am, can you please explain again?
Which one?
Preeti.
प्रीति देखो, अगर आपके
Ma'am,
पास
some
sentences आए ना, imperative sentences आए, तो imperative sentences always starts with the verb. तो हम immediately कह देते हैं there is no doer. No, doer होता है, लेकिन doer जो होता है वो hidden होता है, छुपा हुआ होता है. और वो doer कौन सा होता है? You. You. जैसे मैंने बोला, open your books. Open your books. And I asked Preeti, what is the subject in this sentence? So don't say कि there is no doer. You can say you. You is the subject, hidden.
Hmm?
Now, guys, very important, how to frame the sentence. How to frame the sentence. Now, we will frame the sentence with the help of the 5 wow rule. Wow rule. Okay, wow. We really want to make our simple sentence into the wow sentence. If you really want to make your simple sentence into the wow sentences, then you have to follow this 5 wow rule. Okay, as such, there is no significance reason. Wow, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है ये word wow. So that's why I have written this. ठीक है? Now I let you know why 5 wow. 5 wow है आपके guys, who, what, where, when, why. I repeat, who, what, where, when, why. Whenever you want to make any sentence into the wow sentence, you have to follow this 5 wow. Who, what, where, when, why. ठीक है? Who के अंदर क्या आता है? What comes under who? आपका subject. If you want to write, you can write. What comes under who? Subject. Doer. What comes under what? What के अंदर क्या आता है आपका? Verb. Verb. Action. Where? Where के अंदर आता है आपका place. When के अंदर आता है आपका time. And why के अंदर आता है आपका reason. Reason. So whenever you want to make any sentence into the wow sentence, you have to use who, what, where, when, why. Who and what का sequence must be fixed. Where, when, why का sequence आप change कर सकते हो. Like for example, देखो guys, अगर sentence होता है, the boy runs in the garden. Simple sentence. The boy runs in the garden. Simple. But if I want to make this sentence into the wow sentence, so कैसे मैं बनाऊंगी? The boy runs to the ground in the evening to play with his friends. So this seems to be more wow. Second. Are you guys getting? Wow rule.
Yes, ma'am.
Who, what, where, when, why. Why के अंदर आपको reason लिखना है. Reason. Boy garden में क्यों भागता है शाम को? अपने friends के साथ खेलने के लिए. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now guys, what is this activity? These are the 3 pictures in front of you. These are the 3 pictures in front of you. What you have to do, you just make one sentence by combining all these three pictures?
Okay, I'm telling. Boy, oh sorry, boy, not boy. The
Thief.
dog is barking to the thief in the night.
Why? Why is missing, Raj? Why is
Okay,
missing?
be,
Okay, take your time. I'm giving you 20 seconds time, guys. Please frame your sentence using this 5 wow rule. इसको लिखना चाहते हो तो you want to write.
the dog is barking in the thief
In the
to
thief
the
means
thief in the night because of yeah stealing something.
please write. Don't
Can I
be
try,
rush.
ma'am?
Don't be in. Yes, Sheetal.
The dog is barking on a thief at night because he look a stranger.
Because
He look a stranger.
this person.
This person is stranger.
Okay.
In night, the dog is barking to see the thief.
In night, the dog is barking.
To see the thief.
Okay. Why पे focus करो? Why पे?
May I?
Yes,
Because he
Deepak.
stole
Yes, Deepak.
something.
Yes, Deepak.
Because it's
The dog began to barking on the unknown thief at night.
At night. Okay. Well tried.
Madam,
Yes, Soumya.
the dog is barking in the park yeah, at the night because he took the something.
He took something. Okay. Well tried.
Yeah. Let me. The
Yes.
dog is barking in the night because of a thief stole the bread of a piece.
Because a
Piece of a
thief.
bread.
Because a thief.
Because of the thief stole the piece of a bread.
Okay. Because the thief stole the piece of the bread. Okay. Well tried, Amit. Acha, chalo, read this sentence. The dog barked
The dog barked
by my window
window at
at
night to
night
alert me
to
about the
alert
thief.
me about the thief. देखो अब the dog क्या हुआ? The dog is who?
Who?
Barked is
what?
what? By my window is
Where?
where? At night means
When?
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 To alert me about the thief. This is called why.
Why?
This is called
Why?
why. देखो इस sentence को अभी देखो, whatever the sentences you are framing, that is right. But we really want to make the sentences into the wow sentences.
Right.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Purnima, Shraddha, Kashinath, Mukesh, it is clear?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
guys,
Yes, ma'am.
these are the sentences, okay? These are the sentences. Please pen down any two sentences. Please pen down any two sentences. इस पहले लिख लो कोई भी दो जो भी आपको अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना, जो भी लग रहा है कि हाँ ये तो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है ये sentences, वो लिख लो एक बार. ठीक है, अभी सिर्फ लिखने हैं ये sentences लिखने हैं. Then I will tell you कि what you have to do. 1 से लेकर 12 तक. Okay, but just leave sentence 1. First को छोड़ दो. Second से लेकर 12 तक के कोई भी any two sentences please write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now write down number 1 sentence. A cat runs in the garden.
What?
Done? A cat runs in the garden.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti, done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
किरण
ma'am.
डन, किरण, दीपक, एवरीवन डन, ठीक है। नाउ अब देखो एक्टिविटी क्या है। एक्टिविटी क्या है? फर्स्ट मैं एक सेंटेंस बता रही हूँ, अ कैट रन्स इन अ गार्डन। सिंपल सेंटेंस, अ कैट रन्स इन द गार्डन। सिंपल।
Yes.
Yes.
यस भी बड़ा सोच के बोलते हो। हाँ, सिंपल सेंटेंस है
Yes,
गाइस,
ma'am.
वेरी, हाँ, इट्स
Yes,
वेरी
ma'am.
सिंपल सेंटेंस। अब हमारा टास्क क्या है? व्हाट इज आवर एक्टिविटी? इसी सेंटेंस को हमें क्या बनाना है? वाओ सेंटेंस।
Wow.
Wow
वाओ
sentence.
सेंटेंस। तो वाओ सेंटेंस बनाना है तो मेरे को हु, व्हाट, वेयर, व्हेन, व्हाई और एक्सटेंशंस यूज करनी है। अब देखो, लिसन टू मी। मैं इसी सेंटेंस को कैसे वाओ सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करती हूँ। सबसे पहले आई जस्ट स्टार्ट यूजिंग सम एक्सटेंशंस। तो मैंने एक्सटेंशंस यूज करा। इफ यू वांट टू राइट यू कैन, देन यू कैन इजिली गेट द डिफरेंस। अ स्वीट लिटिल कैट, ठीक है राज, अब मैंने अलग अलग यूज करे हैं राज। अ स्वीट लिटिल कैट runs in a beautiful garden, runs in a beautiful garden in the afternoon to catch the mice, to catch the mice। ठीक है। अब एक बार श्रद्धा इस सेंटेंस को पढ़ो, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस को पढ़ो जो सिंपल सेंटेंस है।
कौन सा?
सिंपल
कैट रन
सिंपल।
वाला?
हाँ, कैट
Okay.
रन। हाँ
यही यही पढ़ना है ना जो आपने
हाँ हाँ,
बताया?
पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, हाँ।
A sweet little cat
नो नो नो,
runs in a
फर्स्ट वन सिंपल सिंपल वाला।
a cat runs in the garden.
A cat runs in the garden, a cat runs in the garden, ठीक है। नाउ काशीनाथ, unmute. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
you please read the second one.
Oh,
Wow sentence. लिखा था? लिखा था? नहीं
no,
लिखा।
no.
अच्छा, लिखा ही नहीं। चलो, किसी ने लिखा है सेकंड सेंटेंस? सोनाली।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सोनाली।
Sweet little cat runs in a beautiful garden in afternoon to catch the mice.
टू कैच द माइस। कौन सा सुनने में, बोलने में कौन सा वाव, कौन सा मोर इम्प्रेसिव लगता है?
Second one.
सेकेंड।
Second one.
सेकेंड वन। वाई शीतल? क्योंकि हमने क्या करा है, सिंपल सेंटेंस को किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया? वाव सेंटेंस।
Wow sentence.
Wow
वाव
sentence.
सेंटेंस। अ स्वीट लिटिल कैट क्या हो गया? ये हमारा क्या हो गया? व्हाट?
Oh, what?
सॉरी, हु सॉरी, हु हो गया।
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
ठीक है।
Oh,
रंस, रंस क्या हो गया? रंस हो गया हमारा
what?
इन द
What?
ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन, इन द ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन।
Where?
वेयर?
Where?
Where?
व्हेन क्या हो गया? इन द आफ्टरनून,
In the
Afternoon.
इन द
afternoon.
आफ्टरनून।
When?
एंड टू
Huh?
कैच
When?
द माइस, टू कैच द
Catch the
माइस क्या हो
mice.
गया हमारा? वाई।
Why?
ठीक है। ओके।
Yes.
नाउ गाइस, आई एम सेंडिंग यू इनटू द ब्रेकआउट रूम for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, what you have to do, I'm sending you into the pairing basis पे, you have to discuss with your partner and you have to come up with your wow sentence. ठीक है? Clear activity? Clear everyone?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
बड़े देर बाद ना, वो कहते हैं बड़ी देर कर दी मेहरबा ओके बोलने में। ठीक है। ब्रेकआउट रूम
Yes, ma'am.
सेशन में आना है, ब्रेकआउट रूम से चले मत जाना। ठीक है। ठीक है, चूज एनी। ओके, चलो। फॉर द 5 मिनट्स, फॉर द 5 मिनट्स आई एम सेंडिंग यू। ठीक है, जल्दी से करना। चलो, स्टार्ट। ओपन।